I use as a toilet for traveling is a 5-gallon bucket that has a tight fitting lid, and I use a 13-gallon garbage bag, and that into the bucket. Then for comfort, this edge not very fun to sit on, so this is just a piece of water pipe insulation, and just put that around the perimeter, and that makes it a lot more comfortable to sit on. And then just remove that, use it, put the cover on, and then when it's in the vehicle, I use a bungee cord to tie it down, and I use a rope also. I do not want this to tip over, be a big mess. But then when I'm done using it, just take the bag out and throw it in the garbage. That works great. And the nice thing is you can use this numerous times, and with the cover, pretty much no smell. Be sure and check out my other videos.